Welcome everyone. If you're visiting our channel, you're curious about how to operate COTT's Hotelier platform. Before we dive into the details, I'll quickly run through the basic premise of each device and how it's represented on the dashboard. First things first, the total devices section in the upper right hand corner here denotes each STB device connected to or directly installed into the TV. The prompt next to it denotes the number of rooms in the hotel room. For every device in the room, there is a finite number of VODs, which refers to films and TV channels downloaded onto one particular device. The graph below, featuring the columns, shows you the number of orders you declined and accepted on a timeline. You may go through the orders page directly through the blue button on the upper left corner, but more on that in another video. Below the columns you have three more graphs that will show you how well you're responding to the orders. The first shows your efficiency by deriving the percentage of pending orders against the overall number of orders submitted. The pie chart in the middle denotes the kind of orders that have been submitted. In this case, options are cleaning, express checkout, which refers to people who've checked out of their rooms online, area order, which denotes an online order, either from a store or a restaurant, and area reserve, referring to making an appointment in the aforementioned option. This will be covered later on in more detail. The final chart is the simplest, which weighs the order status. The pending refers to orders you've not yet accepted or declined, which can be seen at the top of the page right here. The accepted and declined are pretty self-explanatory. These order statuses are also featured at the bottom of the page, completed with room number, cost, dates, and so on. Thank you for watching, and for more helpful videos, visit COTT Electronics.